Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I am Trader Martins and today we are going to be analyzing the euro versus the US dollar. As you can see, we are currently on the daily time frame. So as you can see, the market is making higher highs, taking the buy side liquidity. So the market has currently moved out from the order block, bullish order block, this down close candle before the bullish move. So the market has moved out from this place, so I'm expecting the market to go to this rejection block. So that's my expectation for the market to go to this rejection block. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, throughout last week the market has been moving back and forth, which is actually consolidating. So this is my expectation. I'm expecting the market to be bullish for the next week. So this is a buy side liquidity for the market. So I've already outlined it. This is also a buy side liquidity for the market. The market will definitely take it, probably. So that's my expectation for the market to take out this buy side liquidity and probably reach out to this rejection block for next week. So guys, that is it for Euro USD. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment. Thank you for watching.